Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Teelaunch POD Shopify app, my experience and product review. Teelaunch is a print-on-demand (POD) app that integrates with Shopify, allowing you to sell custom-designed products without holding any inventory. It's primarily aimed at entrepreneurs, artists, and anyone looking to start an online merchandise business. Key features include a wide range of customizable products, automated order fulfillment, and direct integration with your Shopify store. Their website provides details on the various product offerings and pricing. Teelaunch boasts a simple setup process and no upfront fees or hidden costs. You only pay when a product is sold. They handle everything from printing to shipping, allowing you to focus on design and marketing. They leverage a network of global production partners to ensure efficient fulfillment, and their website offers design templates and mock-ups to help you visualize your products. You can easily check product availability and pricing directly on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Teelaunch. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. Installing the app on my Shopify store was a breeze, and the initial setup wizard guided me through the essential configurations. The interface itself is intuitive, with clear navigation and easy-to-understand menus. I started by designing a few t-shirts and mugs using their design templates, which were surprisingly customizable. Uploading my own designs was also a simple drag-and-drop process. I placed a few test orders to assess the product quality and shipping times. The print quality on the t-shirts and mugs was excellent, and the colors were vibrant and accurate. Shipping took a little longer than I anticipated, about a week and a half, but I think that's fairly standard for POD services. I did have a quick question about order tracking, and their support responded within a day via email, which was helpful. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, making it easy to manage products, track orders, and monitor sales. The standout feature for me was definitely the wide range of products available, everything from apparel and home goods to phone cases and wall art. One minor drawback was the lack of a more robust design tool within the app itself. I ended up using external design software for more complex designs. It also took me a little while to get used to the pricing structure and calculating profit margins. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Teelaunch. It offers a convenient and cost-effective way to start a POD business. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and provided a positive experience. That's my overview of Teelaunch POD Shopify app, my experience and product review. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.